Hey guys, Mr. Turbo 458. Did some casting today with that mold that I made in my other video. I also did some shooting tests. This is the first shot, second, third, fourth, and fifth. This one went completely through the wood and actually ran into a concrete wall. So you can see in the first one here, there's not much expansion, if any. Second one hit the wood and you can see the little expansion at the top. This one expanded a little more. I had to dig that one out. That was buried in the board. These two bounced off the board. This one also, I think, bounced off. I mean, it went in the board. I'll show you in a second. But you can see the rifling is actually cutting, so that's good. And then this one's just, come on, focus. There we go. This one's just mangled. These are all hollow point design. So there's a unfired one. Nice hollow cavity. I'm thinking about doing the cavity larger, but I'll have to weigh the bullet and see how much they weigh. I still haven't weighed them yet. So let me show you the target here. Alright, so here's the target. First shot didn't go very far. I believe this one was a second. Third, fourth. The fourth one burrowed in. You don't see anything on the back side. There might be a little bulge right where that crack is. This is 1.5 inch thick structural pine. I think it's pine. It might be Douglas fir. Then this is the fifth shot. You can see a nice smooth clean hole through it. So it just essentially just blew, it just blew that cavity out and the bullet kept going. And it had pretty good zip. It was actually started to crunch into the concrete wall. Here's the mold. It's in one of my other videos. You can check it out. Worked quite well. The only thing I had was once the mold heated up, this was loose, so I just had to rest the handle on something. There's my homemade ladle. Part of a broom handle and a screw, scrap steel. This is actually a copper end cap for copper plumbing with a rivet to hold it onto the steel. It actually works really well, especially for skimming out the pot. So this is a very good representation of airgun tuning. This was at 3000 psi, then it dropped 360, so this one was 360 less, 360 less, 360 less, and I actually had the more powerful shot just based off of penetration on the fifth shot, and that's probably around, I don't remember what the bar is, maybe around 100 bar. So it's a really good representation of airgun tuning because you can have a lot of pressure but not a lot of power. And then when your hammer spring and everything's set for a certain pressure, you can get lots of power. So I hope to move that one to here and have it just completely obliterate that bullet. And then taper off rather than tapering up to the shot. So thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. I've got some more tuning on the way. I've got a heavier hammer spring as well, so we'll be installing that. And look at all these pretty bullets. Have a good day.